Hey you guys, it's Shruti. Welcome back to another episode of Fashion. Today we are doing winter corset haul and all are just perfect for vacation, airport look, home comfort and of course for office wear too. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, my name is Shruti. I make travel, lifestyle and fashion content over here. If you like it, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you do not miss out any of my content. So let's dig into it. So first outfit is in the color brown. This color just screams Pinteresty and look at the pullover. It has a perfect comfy sleeves. It has these edges which fix rightly and this turtleneck is bit discomforting but I guess in 2 to 3 usage it will get loose and yes it comes with this skirt and ये जो skirt है इसका side में slit cut है एक side पे and the material is very soft here at the skirt as well and यहाँ का elastic काफी अच्छा है. I love the length of the skirt. You can style this kind of outfits for your vacation or airport looks and yes you can get that monochrome effect for your office wear so it just gives you that office touch. I ordered this in size small and it fits me very well. So next outfit is a cardigan and a flare pant. I ordered this in the size small. I love the color. It is perfect for Christmas. Look at the cardigan. The aesthetics here are so pretty. The long sleeves and this aestheticness of the texture, the buttons, everything is so pretty and the edges have these linings here and the flare pant is something like this. दो आपको ये जो फ्लेयर पैंट है थोड़ा स्टमक तक पहनना पड़ता है ओनली देन इट लुक्स गुड इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद दैट देन यू कैन ऑर्डर दिस आई एम सो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड इट फॉर माई सेल्फ द इलास्टिक हियर डज नॉट हर्ट योर स्टमक सो गो फॉर इट सो यहाँ पे मैंने इसे स्टाइल किया है विद अ पिंच ऑफ शिमर लाइक आई हैव वोर्ड दैट ट्रांसपेरेंट हील्स एंड विद द गोल्डन शिमर jewelry that's it and this can be your perfect airport or vacation look or sometimes when you want to wear something but you're not in a mood just throw this kind of cardigans and you look aesthetic doing nothing so go for it. So next outfit is in the color pastel pink. It comes with this pullover and this flare pant. The pullover has full on texture going on and love this and this has full hand sleeves and edges पे ऐसे इनको टाइटनेस दिया हुआ है ताकि ये फॉल ऑफ ना करे एंड आई लव द नेकलाइन इट डजंट हर्ट यू एट ऑल आई लव द फैब्रिक ऑफ द पुलोवर इट्स गुड इट्स कंफर्टिंग यू कैन स्टाइल इट फॉर योर एयरपोर्ट लुक्स एंड फॉर योर होम वेयर एज वेल एंड इट कम्स विद दिस फ्लेयर पैंट जिसका फिटिंग मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस लाइनिंग हियर but otherwise it's good. The quality is great. I ordered this in size small again and here the elastic doesn't hurt you at all. I love the flare around here as well. This color is so soothing and comforting that you can literally wear for your office wear too with styling it with some golden jewelry. Here I styled it with wedges and golden jewelry. These kind of outfits are perfect for office or vacation. So you can go for it. Next outfit, अगर आपको stand out करना है and you want that badass sexy look, then you can go with such kind of pullover and a skirt, long skirt. Okay, this pullover is so pretty. It has this bell sleeves going on and नीचे से ऐसे cuts भी दिए हुए हैं sleeves को, which gives you that pattern effect. Okay, and it has this turtleneck. थोड़ा सा hurt करता है ये turtleneck, but maybe एक दो use के बाद ये नॉर्मल हो जाएगा एंड आई लव द टेक्सचर विच इज गोइंग ऑन दिस पुलोवर. आई ऑर्डर दिस इन दी साइज स्मॉल एंड इसके साथ ये वाला लॉन्ग स्कर्ट आता है जिसपे ऐसा कुछ तो पैटर्न बना हुआ है एंड लिखा हुआ है ड्रिप विच इज सो hot and stunning. This skirt has a slit cut in middle and they have this lining going on at the bottom, okay, and the elastic doesn't hurt at all and it gives you that whole badass vibe. Again I'm saying it because it does. And yes, यहाँ पे मैंने इसे स्टाइल किया है गोल्डन ज्वेलरी के साथ with black heels which gives the perfect outcome to the outfit. And कुछ भी ज़्यादा पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because the outfit, the patterns, the fabric, everything just carries itself. So go for such kind of outfits if you're going on a vacation and you want that comforting and chic look as well. So yeah guys, this was it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little winter corset haul, and if you did, please do hit a like button, comment below अगर आपको ऐसे videos और देखने हैं, and yes, share it with your person, your shopaholic person, and if they keep dressing up, keep traveling and keep watching my videos. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.